I'll be using a video I downloaded from Pexels. The link is in the description. I also recommend converting the MP4 into an EXR sequence to help avoid playback issues. I already have a scene set up in Unreal. First, I make a folder for the footage and other items needed for this process. Within this folder, I right-click, and under the Media menu, I add an IMG media source. I double-click on the IMG media source to open it, and open the footage sequence. Under the Advanced panel, I change the frame rate to 30 to match my footage. Then I save the source. In order to play the footage, I need to add a media player from the Media menu. I will allow Unreal to make a media texture for me. I open the media player and double-click on my footage to make sure it plays. I also activate the loop option and save it. I right-click on the media texture and add a material. I double-click and open the material. I select the output and change the blend mode to masked. I drag off the RGB pin and search for MF Chroma Keyer. I connect the input color to the base color. I connect the alpha to the input UV and the input opacity pin to the opacity mask. If I change the preview to a plane, I can now see my footage. I then apply and save the material. I right-click on the material and make a material instance. I open the material instance and activate key color. I then use the color picker and choose the green from the footage in the content browser. If I change to a plain preview, I can now see there's a transparent background. I save the material instance. I add a plane to my scene to act as the composite plane. I scale the plane along the x-axis by 1.78. This is to maintain my aspect ratio. I now rotate and move the plane into place. I drag the material instance onto the plane. I add a level sequencer. I add a media track to the sequencer. I click on the plus and add a media source, choosing the media source I made earlier. I right-click on the media source and open Properties. I open the video player as the media texture. I can now see the footage playing in the scene. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about using green screen footage in Unreal Engine 5, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.